In front of me is Infinix Zero and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. And by opening Recorder app and tapping on Allow in all pop-ups if you never used it before. Now before starting recording, hit this gear at the top right corner. Tap on recording file format and apply the best one by clicking on it. Then go back and use this red button at the bottom to start recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. To add a bookmark, click on the left one when recording is unpaused. And to end it and save it on the right one. As you can see, after that my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To rename it, hold it. Click rename at the bottom, type in wherever you want to, and select save. To delete it though, hold it again, but this time tap on delete next to rename and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!